Welcome, and phone name is a Bocoin K800, and today I will show you how to set up a portable hotspot on the device. So starting off, we will need to open up the settings app, and from here in the wireless and network category, which is right here, the first one from the top, tap on more to extend the options, and you will find tethering and portable hotspot right here, and then Wi-Fi hotspot. So from here you can just simply enable it by flipping this on to actually being on. You can also choose how long you want it to be on, so always, for idle for 10 minutes or 5 minutes. And then you also have the options below to set up Wi-Fi hotspot, which will give you the option to change the name of the network that is visible between all the other ones, and choose a password, which I already, as you can see, changed it to something just much simpler. Then also, when you tap on back, so keyboard disappears. Below we have an option to set a limit on how many people can connect to it, so you can set from 1 to 8 if you don't want many people to connect to it. And once you're satisfied with how you set it up, you can tap on save and enable it, and then connect to it on a different device. So let me just do this, and you can basically leave. And when you pull down the notification panel, you'll also see that it's active right now, assuming it's on, and it will show you how many basically people are connected to it, which shouldn't show you anything more than 1, assuming it's set the exact same way as I have, which is to 1 person. And then it will also show you how many people are blocked from using it. You can also tap on it here, and we'll take you back to the settings where you can disable it. So that is basically how you set it up. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.